Ramogi TV.
Nyakorom Gajwang ko woke gwenge mag Turkana hadwogi nyaka bura Nairobi kama bende Jatend piny William Ruto yango chenro mar tiego jo ohanda piko matingo jo wuothe pachoka. Chenro mabende igeno ni biro ikelo yuto ne jo bodaboda kendo jiwo okumba mano mar thiethe kidegi gisani mane nyasi mabende dhi tere achiel kachiel kama bende gisani Jatend migawo mochung' ne weche mago mag thieth Susan Nakumicha emaloso gisani wawinjanena.
Subject that is of my passion, healthcare. Your Excellency, our institution, National Hospital Insurance Fund, to a large extent has done very well in ensuring the cover for the formal sector is in place. However, Your Excellency, this fund has had a challenge with the informal sector. Challenge of identifying them, challenge of knowing what is their source of income or how much it is so that we onboard them. That has been a great challenge for us. But I'm happy that through all government approach to services, we've worked together with the Ministry of Transport and they have identified this critical group of bodabodas that we are today giving them a cover for the year. Your Excellency, in many cases, many people who have received a cover of NHIF, especially the men, I'm sorry to say, perceive it to be a personal cover. But I want to encourage the bodabodas that this is not personal. Ensure your dependents are listed so that not just you get care, but your family members get care as well. Hii cover ambayo unapata leo, kama wewe ni mwanamume uko na familia, uko na mke na watoto, mke akitaka kujifungua hii cover itamsaidia. Watoto wakigonjeka hii cover itawasaidia. So it is not a personal property peke yako. Tafadhali hakikisha dependents wako wote umeweka kwa hii cover. Your Excellency, the other beauty of this cover that besides the normal outpatient and inpatient, it has three things that for me are critical. One is health promotion. That these bodabodas will be given knowledge and guided on how to live positively on matters nutrition and matters safety to do with health. The other thing in this cover, Your Excellency, that is very important is mental health and behavioral change. And lastly, Your Excellency, this cover covers them for emergency evacuation, which is very important. Your Excellency, actually, it bothers me that in most of our facilities, especially the referral hospitals, you go to Kenyatta here, you go to Moi, level 5 and level hospitals, you will find a dedicated hospital for boda riders. We are working together under your instructions as you have directed, Your Excellency, that we promote health and we also prevent diseases. So I'm happy that the team that sits before you, a good number has gone through training for first aid by St. John Ambulance, but we are going to work together with them so that we identify more that can be trained. And as you have guided moving forward, Your Excellency, we are going to ensure that we use a criteria to identify all bodabodas so that we onboard them on NHIF. On those very few remarks, thank you. I'd like to invite back my brother to continue with the program. Asanteni sana.
Mheshimiwa Rais, yangu itakuwa machache sana. Kwanza, kama Wizara ya Uchukuzi na Barabara, tunaamini ya kwamba usalama barabarani na safety ya watu wetu ni kitu ya maana zaidi. Mara nyingi taifa letu limechukulia sana kwa msaha mambo ya ajali barabarani. Na unajua Mheshimiwa Rais, pengine kama vile wewe mwenyewe uko na statistics tayari, tunapoteza watu wengi zaidi kwa mambo ya barabara kuliko wale ambao magonjwa tofauti inawa. Na kwa hivyo mambo ya safety ni kitu ya muhimu zaidi. Na tukisema kwamba ni safety, kwanza tunajua, and I know you have the statistics.
Nyakorom Gajwang manene chenro mabende waluoni achiel kachiel biro bedo kwa kiloni